Many websites get hacked or broken, and the owner doesn't even notice for hours. By the time they spot it, it's too late. No backup, no security, nothing. But if you use WordPress, you can easily automate these critical maintenance tasks. In this video, we will show you how to automate WordPress backups, plugin updates, security alerts, and more, all running on their own, so your site takes care of itself. Let's set it up. Quick pause for today's sponsor, WordPress.com. Everything in this video works on any self-hosted site, but you're the one installing and configuring every plugin. With WordPress.com's managed hosting, they handle most of this for you. Spam filtering, downtime monitoring, and login protection are all built in. On the eligible plans, you also get automatic backups and scheduled updates with auto rollback if something goes wrong. All included with your plan at no extra cost. So if you'd rather not juggle multiple plugins, the WordPress.com link is in the description. Now back to the video. The first thing we are going to automate is backups. To automate backups, we're going to use a plugin called Updraft Plus. You can find this plugin in the plugin repository right within WordPress admin. Right after you install and activate Updraft Plus, you can find it in your WordPress dashboard. You can back up your site manually, but it also allows you to schedule your backups, automating the whole process. To enable that, simply go to the Settings tab, and from here you will find two options: Files Backup Schedule and Database Backup Schedule. From this dropdown, just simply choose how often you would like to back up your files. For example, I'm choosing daily. Then you can also specify how many backups you want to retain from this box. Also remember to choose a database backup schedule from here as well. Next, you can choose a remote storage where you would like to store your backup. There are lots of options available, starting from Updraft Vault, FTP, Dropbox, Microsoft Azure, and also platforms like Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive. If you choose Google Drive, then if we scroll down over here, you have to sign in with Google, and all your backups will be stored in a folder called Updraft Plus within your Google Drive. In order to set a custom folder, you have to get Updraft Plus Premium. By default, Updraft Plus will save the backup files or archives in the website's own server, so Google Drive or any other cloud storage service is not mandatory. If you're fine with this setup, you can simply click on Save Changes, and you'll have successfully automated your WordPress backup process. The next automation process we're going to talk about is the plugin auto update. The auto updates is a core feature of WordPress, so you don't have to install an extra plugin for this. If we go to the plugin section and select Installed Plugins, we will find all of our installed plugins over here. On the right-hand side of this table, you'll find a column called Automatic Updates. From this section, you can enable automatic updates just by clicking over here. Once you activate it, you're going to see this option, Disable Auto Updates. That means automatic updates for this particular plugin has been enabled. In this way, you can enable auto updates for all your plugins and keep your plugins always up to date. The next feature we want to automate is scanning and alert. Your WordPress website might be subject to online attacks from time to time. In order to protect your site, you can use a plugin called WordFence. This plugin has a paid version and a free version that you can use. As soon as you install WordFence and activate your license, whether it's free or premium, you are going to have the scanning enabled for you. If we go to the scanning section from here, we can already see that WordFence scan is enabled. This is going to scan your website for threats and malicious activities and keep you alert all the time. You can also start a manual scan by yourself. If we go to the All Options section, and then scroll down, here we can find Scan Scheduling. With the free version of WordFence, this option will be available. Let WordFence choose when to scan my site. So WordFence is going to scan your site automatically. You can also cycle through various scanning options. Down here in the Tools option, you can also see there is a Live Traffic options. If you run a high traffic website where it is not feasible to see your visitors in real time, you can simply change the traffic logging mode to security only. If we go to the email alert preferences, here you can go through different options when WordFence will notify you through emails. For example, this option is selected. Email me if WordFence is deactivated. So whenever WordFence is deactivated on your site, you will be sent an email. Also, when WordFence web application firewall is turned off, you will again be sent an email. In this way, you can choose when WordFence will alert you through email. With these features, you will be able to stay updated and alert all the time. The next feature we would like to talk about is the comment spam detection and cleanup process. For this, we are going to use a popular plugin called Akismet Anti-Spam. This is a spam protection plugin used by millions of users. This can protect your blog from spam comments. So after installing the plugin, you will find this option added under settings. From here, you can see what Akismet does for you. The machine learning accuracy is really high as it learns from billions of spam signals across the web to stop junk before it reaches you. It takes you zero effort as Akismet runs quietly in the background, saving you hours of manual moderation. This is the whole idea of automating your spam protection. It works with popular plugins such as Elementor, Contact Form 7, Jetpack, and WP Forms. If you want to upgrade your Akismet plugin to a paid version, you can do it just for $9.95 per month, which will give you even more support. Another thing to note is that Akismet Free is only available for non-commercial websites. If you have a commercial website, you have to get one of the paid plans. Akismet will run in the background, and if there's any spam comments made on your site, you can rest easy because Akismet will detect it and clean it up for you. Now, we are going to learn how you can automate blocking malicious login attempts to your site. And for this, we're going to again rely on WordFence. WordFence has a lot of options for protecting your WordPress website from malicious login attempts. You can access the firewall options from here. There is the basic firewall options and also the advanced firewall options. It also has brute force protection to protect your site from brute force attacks. You can customize the controls from here. You can specify the login failures after which the IP will be locked out. You can also specify the time period of count failures. You can also choose to immediately lock out invalid users if you want. Normally, it's running in the background. It's going to protect your site from malicious logins all the time. The next feature we're going to automate is the downtime monitoring. Now, if your website goes down, you must be alerted immediately. In order to automate this task, we are going to use Jetpack. Now, as you know, Jetpack has a free version and also paid version. The free version gives you a lot of features, and the downtime monitoring is a part of that. So to access the feature, we are going to go to the settings section of Jetpack. As you can see, we already have Jetpack installed on this website. And if you go to the settings, you can find the downtime monitoring feature over here. If we simply click over here, it's going to enable the downtime monitoring. Now, if you guys want to use Jetpack, just simply go to the plugin section and click on Add Plugin, search for Jetpack, install and activate the plugin on your site, and then connect your website with your WordPress.com account. So as you can see, with the downtime monitoring enabled, we will get alerts if our site goes offline. Alerts are sent to our WordPress.com account email address. So this is where you're going to receive the alert in case your site goes down. Now, it's also important to mention that Jetpack has security scanning and protection feature. The security scanning is only available in the paid version, but the account protection feature is available in the free version as well. So this protects your site with advanced password detection and profile management protection. So you can use Jetpack for security scanning and protection as well. Now, these were some of the methods through which you can automate your WordPress website maintenance and stay safe. And that's it. A WordPress site that basically maintains itself. Set it once and it just runs. But again, if you use WordPress.com's managed hosting, the platform handles most of this for you. So you don't even need to configure any of it. Try WordPress.com using the link in the description. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.